Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Virgin Galactic Holdings. Now, talk about a sell the news event. That's exactly what happened in here. The call skew was ridiculous. Basically, I think it was what, 20 delta in your August expiration cycle. Basically, only around 10 points to the put side, skewed to 50 to the call side. So it was ridiculous call skew in here. So you could have sold those 100s, the 100 calls all day long in that August expiration cycle if you wanted to, and then collected some premium off of that. But anyway, I digress. Let's get down to it here on the daily chart. Where we at? We're trading right at 30.10 here. You can see this 200-day moving average needs to hold. That's more or less sitting right at that $30 mark. That's key. If we do breach that and break below that, what's going to get choppy in between here, this $24 range, 23.90 to the 33.92. You can see back in late May, early June, we kind of chopped in there before we had that nice strong run up on the good news of the first flight. But we do need to hold these 30s in here going forward. If not, then I believe we will chop in here just a little bit longer. But it looks like since we did have a nice sell-off over the past week or so, I mean, very, very large sell-off. I mean, basically a 20-point sell-off in here. Our RSI isn't as oversold as I thought, but stochastics are. We might have enough IV in here to kind of just do a nice little recovery if we do hold these 30s and break above the 33.92s. But I don't know. We'll have to all wait and see what happens in here because your IV rank is at 38. So there's still some IV, raw IV of basically over 100 in all your expiration cycles. So everything's still juiced up in here. It's just going to be interesting to see if we do hold this 200-day moving average at 30 level or not. If we do hold it, obviously 33.92, and then the 9-day EMA is going to be your next. That's currently trading right at 37.95. Above that, it will be 46.09. So we'll have to wait and see what happens in here. You have a $4 expected move by next week. That's your raw IV of 137%. Next week, everybody's pricing in right around a $5 expected move. Earnings coming up August 5th after market. That expiration cycle pricing in right around $6.22. And then if we go out to August 20th, that's a raw IV of around 114%. That's going to give you right around an $8 expected move out there. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens in here going forward, especially after that large sell-off off the sell and news event. But again, we are getting oversold in here, so we might have a little reversal. We might have to consolidate just a little bit more to see, but definitely keep an eye on the 30 and that 200-day moving average in here going forward. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.